we're at our keeping comp, Campbelltown. It's time for another episode of. It's time for another episode of.
Should have DNF'd it. That'll be my worst time.
Moments later.
We're waiting for our cube, and he is over there. My dad. Are you ready?
A little later.
Is that a good song? What cube do you have?
GAN 11 and July. Is this your first time here?
No. I've been to Urban, but not a lot. Which ones are you doing?
I'm doing 3x3, 2x2 and pin.
I just do 3x3. My dad's doing 3x3.
So what's your best today?
The 3x3, I was really happy with that. So yeah,
What was your best time?
32. Yeah, I got shaved like 12 seconds off my average and 7 seconds off my single.
2x2 Pyraminx.
Right, yeah.
Everything's kind of up to you.
I'm doing Skewb, and I'm just worse at that than this.
Excuse me.
Oh, that was unexpected.
Your best song.
I need to learn a better method.
What method do you use?
So I do normal cross F12, and then I do algorithm for the yellow, and then algorithm for the yellow top. I just do get to cross algorithm, and then do a T-perm or Y-perm, and then another one.
Later.
Oh, that's a good song.
Yeah, I kind of got in the 40 something. Have you been assigned to be a judge?
Yes.
Once I went to a winter Saturday and Felix Index was there, and we stayed into the finals, but we didn't get there, but we wanted to watch Felix. And there weren't many judges, so I took place with one, but I wasn't assigned, so it's still allowed.
Did Felix Index win?
He got almost first place in every single one. He didn't get he didn't get two. Ready? Okay. That was pretty good.
More moments later.
It's okay.
It's just when your hands are so cold, you can't concentrate. Because they kind of get caught in the cube. And you don't want that to happen.
Have you seen the Speedcubing documentary?
Oh, yeah. Only once. It's on Netflix and it's so long. And it was,
Pretty good.
yeah. But it was a little boring. I'm going to get to the action. Action.
What type of cube is yours?
Oh, I think I have a MoYu brand. Yeah, I have a MoYu brand.
My kid's got the MoYu with the Cubist home core magnet. It's not the ball core one, but the one before it. That's so fast. And it's really nice. It's Maglev and everything.
Meanwhile,
Oh no.
+2.
It's alright. You dropped the highest, so I don't care.
42.5%.
Have you ever got one where you solved it, but it landed on the timer?
Like the cube landed on the...
Last one. It went on there, and then they said it was a +2, but it didn't go. But it didn't go on the app saying it was a +2, so I got lucky.
Yeah.
Lucky duck.
approximately 10 hours later.
That was quick.
Very quick. The quickest.
Last song. Best of luck.
Have you ever got an extra?
No.
My dad has. In the clock because the timer wasn't set.
Actually, yes, I have. I once gave me the wrong cube.
That's terrible. That's kind of annoying when that happens.
I'm just writing my initials.
Okay. We have to get it done again.
Yeah.
You just put your hand up.
At the plus 3. It's 1 minute 10 seconds plus 2 equals 1 minute plus 2.
Yeah, that's supposed to. Just because it is just the.
If it was like this, it would be fine, like that.
Yeah. I did not know my cube knowledge then. Get my cube out. Bye. Thank you.
Meanwhile,
It's quick. It's cool. Nice. It's Maglev and everything. Ready. Ready. Yeah, ready. Yeah. Nice. Nice. Holy cow. Crazy good scrambles for quite cross people. These are like dream scrambles. That's yeah, that's I'm never going to get beat up. I am happy. I'm never going to be better. 32.87. It was like a white cross. Like two of them were ready to go. One was just down here and the other one was there. It was like, what? 34.
many unbearable hours later.
I went to the Melbourne comp, the Oceanics, a couple of months ago. I did my solve, really good time. Got to an A perm and went, I forgot. Messed it up, started again. So I looked at the recording and it would have been like about a 38-second solve. It ended up being 1:06. I thought for 2 solves, that's pretty good. Focus. Ready.
History that
the A perm. Nemesis. Apart from the balls up at the end, I'm gonna watch the video and be like, ah, that's where the A perm ball stopped.
Don't forget to like and subscribe here and see you like this video here. Thanks for watching.